Okay, sorry. Greetings and salutations, France here. Now, this is about that's about the title, hopefully. It's like my backpack for my vest. I did kind of have a tutorial filmed, but my editing system, this is like, but the video editing system that I use is not downloaded all the clips all the way like I wanted to. I don't know if it's the software or just my computer or the videos. I don't know. But I could kind of show you the process of me putting this on, but probably be at a later date of us trying to get the system working fine and everything. So that, nonetheless, I do have this sewn on. Now this, like backpacks, is from a t-shirt. I have seen people use, I have a phone. I have seen people use t-shirts. Some use band tees, some don't. Someone using, I decided not to use a band tee. Using the snake one. I found this. It's like a green sort of type of thing. I use like a t-shirt. I found this at Five Below. It's like $5.55. See, I saw this at one Five Below, but they did not have it in stock. They felt like order it offline, and I went to another Five Below where they have this in stock. So I kind of guesstimated. I took a medium shirt. It's not normally my size, but it fit perfectly. So I tried to get like it works perfectly. Not all t-shirt sizes gonna fit though, but this fit perfectly how I wanted it to with this type of vest. The way this vest is made, and I this is the whole point of the design though, and I used a medium shirt. It kind of reminded me of a tarot card thing, but I was debating if I should embroider this or not, but I may just do with another thing of thread, just to like tack it down some, just probably down on the sides, just to not give that it's gonna slip on me, and more like sturdiness. But other than that, it turned out great. This is just basic sticks. I could do more, maybe more, but I could leave it as is. So this is what it looks like, and everything, and I still got a lot more to go with the vest in general. So I have one of the pass for the bag with the eye. So I have the eye in the back on my bag, but that is what the vest is coming along. This is like not, I actually talk a lot, but that's all I have. I am going to try to edit that video kind of how I done it. It's not the best, but I'm going to try to edit it so you like the process of me showing this on, and I might actually just put another, just like probably along this more stitch work on the sides, just so I can have it go down. But other than that, this is what I have done of this vest. Of the back pass over this vest. So, and when I saw this stuff, so I loved it, and I thought it would be perfect for it. The back of my vest. So, without further ado, I'll catch you guys and lift this side, and